Where the bees are coming in from the outside and they're going in the wall right here. This is where they are, and it's actually, the comb starts right at the top and goes all the way down to about right here. It's a pretty large one. Well, look at this. Is that impressive or what? Man, that is beautiful. Nice comb, lots of bees. On the move. There she is, folks. Rocket Scientist Bee found her. She is a beaut. Thank you, Jesus. Wow, All right. Now that we got this part over with, let's go ahead and finish vacuuming and cutting the rest of that comb out. And it ain't there no more. That was one sweet removal. The way those bees built that comb was spectacular. So we're going to go ahead and put that on the stand and open these bees up. So here we go. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and just turn our queen loose on this right here and set her in the box. Alright, there she is. So we're going to just set her in the box. And we're going to close this thing up. We're getting ready to open up the gate and then pull the screen out and let these girls start flying.